deep in the shadows.
Let's go, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Oh my hand. Oh my hand.
Nothing. What's she looking at?
Oh my hand.
Nothing what?
Oh my hand. Oh my hand.
Hi guys! Happy Monday! So, off day ngayon ni Daddy. And papunta kami ngayon ng Pongo Coast. So, doon tayo brunch, breakfast and lunch na. Yan. So, tayong tatlo lang muna. Yung mga kids pumasok na sa school. Kanina makulimlim. Now it's hot already. The weather in Singapore really like crazy, man. Hot, cold, hot, cold. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where's the 1, 2, 3? Okay, so andito na tayo sa Pongo Coast. Still have one on there. Okay, so muna tayo ng hawker. You need to bring Jeffrey. So, meron din ditong comic games library yan sa mga kids. Meron ditong Jollibee. Meron ditong Starbucks. So, pasok tayo dito. Got to eat medicine. Masarap maglibot pag Monday. Okay. So, hawker is here. Let's go. They say a lot of food here. Let's go. We go one side. So, nakita namin yung biyana namin dito. Yan, kumakain. No, naman here have one. Daddy said. Nice. How much is one?
How about try it?
Daddy, how much is one?
我买$7。
I see.
我买7块钱。然后那边走来这里哦，然后走来这边哦，
Another day.
走去那个捞车啊，知道半个小时哪里封住了吗？
Okay, so $40 here, guys. Yan, buy some biscuit or doon yun na. Yeah. Okay, get some biscuit here. Okay, let's go here. Buy some biscuit for the boy. Where's Nanay? Where's Nanay? Ah, Nanay here! Wala silang masyadong ngayon. Stock. Oh my God. No stock. Childhood memories. Safeguard. Yeah. Okay, your hand pick up. Oh, this one's open. It's a flower matters. Subway. Oh my God. Okay, ito yung ano, Punggol LRT and MRT. Tari ng ulan.
You wanna buy anything?
Okay, so nakita natin sila, sila bunso. Yan. Sabay-sabay na tayo umuwi. Umuulan pa rin, guys. Sobrang ano pa din, malakas pa din. Tanyo. Ayan, di ba? Malakas pa rin yung ulan. I push na. I push. Whee! Lakas pa rin ng ulan. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little May May wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Yeah. Ay, hindi natutulog. May natutulog. So high.
We don't down. So high.
Yeah, I'm at Luzon. Lucky they put the cover here already. Last time no cover here. So nagtapaw kami ng chicken rice sa dalawang bata.
No, suspended.
Okay, how?
Okay.
Taste okay?
Yeah.
They like also chicken rice.
About it for rice better.
Oh, yeah, they like fried rice better.
Chicken rice like I thought too.
Is it nice? Is it nice? Oh no, yeah, I put there because Meme keep that. You say right, nice the chicken rice. Yeah, looks nice.
The chicken rice is very salty.
It's not salty because you put the salt.
No, you put the sauce just now. It's very salty. It's salty.
Nice. Alam niyo ba guys na may nangyari sa school na bunso? There had something happening. Chayden school. Merong bully. May bully na pero hindi sa kanila as grade 3 siya. Siya sa news ngayon dito sa Singapore. Grade 3 sila, tapos tatlong estudyante, ang binubuli nila isang classmate nila na babae. Tapos nagkaroon ng threaten. Alam niyo ba kung anong dito, ang policy dito? Kapag napatunayan yon, suspended yung mga bata. Tapos kapag tumagal pa meron pa mas malalim na ano ba tawag dito? Parang yung case masyadong serious, pwede silang i-cane sila, papaluin yung mga bata dito. Ganun yung policy dito. Caning. Napakasakit yung is. Ang dito, caning. Pag napatunayan na na nagkasala ka. Kahit yung mga matatanda dito, ganun. Pag halimbawa, meron kayong labag na hindi maganda, tapos paparusahan kayo, makukulong kayo, plus meron palo, papaluin kayo. So, kahapon, guys, nagdala ng, banana cake yung mga biyanan ko. Nagpunta sila dito kahapon. So, yung biyanan ko lalaki, yan, nag-bake siya na to. Tapos, dinala to sa amin. Mainit-init pa eh. Tinikman na namin kahapon. So, today, meron swimming sila kuya today. Yan, kape tayo. Coffee. Hi! Ang gugulo. Hello! Yan. Kakalinis ko lang dyan sa ano niya. Ayan, ang gugulo na naman siya, oh. Hello! Yan. Mahilig siya sa ano ka, sa police motor, police car. Mahilig si Maiden sa ganyan. Why you bring this one here? Go bring back to Coco room. Guys, nabili ko to sa sa TikTok shop. Ayan, mga allowance na mga bata yan every weeks. So pag meron silang natitirang baon, nilalagay nila dyan. Or pag hindi nila nagagastos. At itong isa na to, yan. Ano niya yung gamit ng kuya niya. You give this to Coco? Yan, nag-i-start na siyang maglikot-likot. Say hi! Say hi! Hi! Okay, give to Coco. Okay, I put down here, okay? We cannot open this, so you must ask permission first.